Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to transfer from Coinbase to Phantom Wallet. Firstly, log into your Coinbase account on your browser and navigate to Send and Receive section. Then click Send. Choose a Solana as the asset you want to send, then confirm the Solana is selected as the asset. Enter the amount you wish to send, then ensure the selected asset is Solana. Bastion or enter the Solana wallet address where you want to send it. Double check it to ensure it's correct. After it, select Continue to proceed. Review the transaction details including the amount and the wallet address. Once you confirm everything is correct, click Send Now to initiate the transfer. You need to authenticate your transaction before it to complete, and that's it. Your Solana will be sent from Coinbase to the Phantom wallet. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.